Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're seeing error code 22 on your graphics card and device manager, it means your GPU has been manually disabled, either by you, by Windows, or by a driver conflict. The device is physically there, Windows can see it, but it's been switched off in software. The good news is, this is one of the easier errors to fix. Let's go through it. The most direct fix is to simply re-enable the device. Open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and selecting it from the list. Find your graphics card under Display Adapters. It'll probably have a small arrow icon on it, indicating it's disabled. Right-click it and choose Enable Device. That's it. If Windows can load the driver properly, your GPU will come back online immediately. If it comes back with a different error after enabling, or if it disables itself again, the driver is the problem. Right-click your GPU in Device Manager again and choose Update Driver, then search automatically for drivers. If Windows finds something, let it install and restart. If it says the driver is already up to date, go to your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest driver manually. Sometimes the issue is a corrupted driver that keeps causing Windows to disable the device. In that case, you need to do a clean uninstall. Right-click your GPU in Device Manager, choose Uninstall Device, and check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device. Restart your PC, Windows will try to reinstall a basic driver automatically, then install the proper driver from the manufacturer's website on top of that. Another thing worth checking is your BIOS. Some motherboards have an option to disable the dedicated GPU in favor of integrated graphics, especially on laptops. Restart your machine, enter the BIOS by pressing Delete or F2 during startup, and look for any setting related to your primary display or GPU. Make sure the dedicated GPU is set to Enabled. If you recently added new hardware or made changes inside your PC, a reseating issue could be triggering the error. Power down completely, unplug the machine, and reseat your graphics card in its PCIe slot. Make sure it's clicked in properly and the power connectors are fully seated. A loose connection can cause Windows to disable the device. Finally, if nothing else works, run a System File Checker scan. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type sfc/scan now and hit Enter. This checks for corrupted Windows system files that might be interfering with device management. If it finds and repairs anything, restart and check Device Manager again. Alright, that covers error code 22. In most cases, enabling the device and doing a clean driver reinstall is all you need. If you're still seeing it after all of this, drop a comment with your GPU model and I'll help you dig deeper. Hit like and subscribe if this helped. See you in the next one.